I'm Brian Keneally. This is Todd Graff, and we're wrapping up the first month of a new year with the Gold Spot. We want to start this with a big thank you to our clients that took advantage of our inaugural special sale this last week. It was a blowout, and congratulations on your purchases. So there's a lot of talk right now with leaders in the marketplace, Jamie Dimon for one, Howard Marks, who predicted the dot-com bubble of 2000 era. And they're saying that we're seeing a big inflated bubble right now. What you have some experience in this area. You were in securities. What are your thoughts on that?
So Brian, the big topic everybody's talking about right now is the Magnificent Seven. Okay, those are the largest 7 tech companies in the U.S. and they make up a huge percentage of the total stock market. Together, their market cap is close to $17 trillion. The whole point of it right now is these companies have been investing huge in AI technology. Okay, they've been needing faster and faster chips. That's one of the reasons Nvidia has been so successful this year. Turns out last Friday, a small Chinese company released an open source AI model, so anybody can use it, anybody can build upon it, and the performance of this is blowing everybody away.
Yeah,
it's miles ahead of where Silicon Valley has been with AI technology, and the fact that it's open source. People can take this, they can study it, analyze it, and they'll build upon it. So whether you believe in AI technology or whether you use it or not, this is going to have a huge effect on the valuations of these major tech companies. And in turn, that's going to make a huge impact on the total stock market. A lot of people don't realize how much they're affected by these 7 companies. Okay, if you have index funds in an IRA or your 401k, you think you're diversified, but really the heaviest weighting is in these companies. The market already reacted the first day on Monday. Nvidia was down, I think, 17 or 18% that first day. Things are going to be volatile with these companies, but I think the big question is, hey, are you comfortable keeping such a large amount of your money that's wrapped up in these few tech companies?
So when we look at, say, 2 big events that took place, if we go back to 2000 with the dot-com bubble burst, if we look at more recently the situation with COVID and the pandemic, and we see these big retractions in stock values that take place, what has been the history of gold's response to those times?
Gold has performed well during those periods, or maybe not the first few days or the first few months of these events, but as time goes on, there's usually a flight to safety. Okay, people don't like seeing their retirement assets dropping by 10-20% in a short period of time. So people start looking for safer things that they can put their money into. Gold has been that safer asset for thousands of years, regardless of the country or the currency. I think that's what we're going to see again when the stock market really starts to get volatile this year.
Really, when it comes down to it, an IRA is not a place to be speculating. That's a place where you want to be planning for your future and something that's safe, secure, and reliable. So we want to encourage all of our clients to take a look at our IRA video on our website and get familiar with that if that's something that you're concerned with.
Yeah, so if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. We'd be happy to talk to you, and we'll see you next time on the Gold Spot.
If you enjoyed today's Gold Spot, like or subscribe to both our YouTube and Rumble channels. Also comment below if you have any questions or if you want to hear us talk about a specific topic in a future video.